Welcome to the MASTER EDCOIN Wallet, the all-in-one wallet for the EDCOIN ecosystem and every EDCOINER globally. The ease of transacting and safekeeping of your EDCOIN is now at your fingertips in a single convenient application. As we continue to build this app, we'll be integrating features from previously standalone applications, such as Marketplace, EDCOIN App, and EDCOIN SMART STAKING, into one seamless and multifunctional wallet to empower EDCOINERS everywhere. Web3, NFTs, and Play-and-Earn gaming are earmarked for future development of the EDCOIN ecosystem. Let's build forward together. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to enable email authentication. Enable email authentication. Enter your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. If you have not yet registered or enabled two-factor authentication, click on the Enable button. An email will be sent to your registered email address. Click on Proceed to continue. Check your email inbox or spam folder for the 2FA code. Copy the code within the time limit. Paste the code in the field here, or you can type it in. Congratulations, your 2FA email authentication is successful and verified.